Hey guys, welcome to the farm. Good morning. We have been dealing with some super crazy weather. It's our first storm of the year. We have been waiting for rain and we got it. Holy smokes. We want our pond to fill up and it escalated pretty dang quick. So we wanted to just show you what we've been dealing with. We'll go show you the pond. The pond is full to the brim. Happened in 2 days. The weather is such that we'll do a couple things outside, and then we want to share with you a little bit of you can hear the ducks. The ducks don't care about this weather. This is their jam. Show you the pond and then show you our plans for our garden for this spring. We have tons of seeds from Haas Tools. We've got a couple game changers in there. We've got the drip tape system. We've got the fertilizer injector. So follow us along today. We'll show you those things and show you this pond. Before I show you the pond in full force, this is what it looked like the other day. It was with about 2 inches of rain. We have been getting a little bit of water in it every day when it rains, but now that the ground's saturated and water is flowing to the pond, it's crazy. To be honest, I probably thought it would take 3 or 4 days of rain. It took 2 in order for it to look like this. Just keeps going. So what's crazy is our little body of water kind of went to about here. Yeah, that used to be the size of our pond. Now, look at, we got a infinity pond. It just kind of keeps on going. One great thing about all of this water flowing to here is in the past it has not filled here, but it is like settled in over on the west side of our pasture, and it has made it really soggy. And we're hoping that this will be a reservoir for our animals to use and our land to use, so we can irrigate later on in the season and we can have water year round. We're hoping. We have no idea how long this will stay. We know that we'll have to worry about mosquitoes and stuff like that, but it'll be nice to have a real water feature on our property. We're excited about that. The kids are out here. The kids want to swim in it. If it wasn't 40 degrees outside, we would let them swim in it. So it's all muddy, you can see, but all of it is, running off from other areas, and it'll settle down. I think it'll get clear. And one thing is for sure is we've got a lot to learn about pond management, but we're up to the task. See, this is kind of our little swale here, and it gets filled from the east side of our property from those neighbors over on that side. And this is one of our trees that fell down. Luckily, nothing fell onto our home. Our home is doing great. None of our fences are down or anything like that. So far, this storm, even though it's a storm, even though it's left our property a little bit of a mess, has been nothing but a blessing. One thing I am curious is if our ducks are gonna figure out there's a bigger pond over on the other side. Our ducks, they don't like new things. And once they find out that there's that big old body of water over there, they go straight to our small pond over here. I wonder how long it's going to take them to figure out that there's a huge one right over there. We might have to herd them that way to help them figure it out, but this is duck weather.
One's going like so happy. Yep.
So we've got a couple days of sprinkles, so hopefully we don't get that much more rain. We got to go move the pigs, feed the animals, And then we're gonna spend the rest of the day inside checking out what we got from Haas Tools. So come on with us. We'll spend some time out of the rain.
The ducks look happy.
They sure do, huh?
They're swimming in there.
Yeah. You ready?
Got the hammer.
Got mud on your face too. How'd you get mud on your face?
I slid off the bridge.
Oh.
I've also got it right here.
Oh, yep, you got it right there too. All right, let's go feed those pigs and get our chores done so we can go start some seeds, okay? Come on. Got it? You got it. Woo! Good job. Go, guys. Finishing up chores, putting stuff away. Oh, did it make it?
Clear the way, clear the way.
Oh, it's coming. Ready to get out of this rain?
Oh, yeah, we're thoroughly soaked.
Just a little bit.
Let's go inside where it's warm and check out our Haas Tool cache.
Yeah. Got it. All right, so we're gonna do some unboxing because we're so excited. So Aaron had to go to work, so we're gonna go ahead and just do the unboxing before he gets home. You excited?
Yeah.
Do we like Haas Tools?
Yeah.
They have great seeds, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these lovely things that we got from Haas. Okay?
Let's go.
So, Kate's got the trusty scissors. We opened our first box. Okay, so what's the first thing we got in there, buddy?
We've got a flour mix.
You turn it around.
That includes all of this stuff.
Beneficial insect wildflower mix. Mom's mostly
Dwarf
excited about
Cosmo
flowers.
mix.
Okay, and then
baby blue eyes.
Yeah.
I've never heard that.
I've never heard that either. All right, what's in this one?
We have all of these seeds.
Oh, look at, we grew this last year and it was so good.
Oh yeah, they should call them bowling ball squashes. We grew them until they were the size of bowling balls. No, they were a little bigger than bowling balls.
Were they a little bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we let them get that big. But the 8-ball squash, we love those, so we got those again.
Mm-hmm. Oh, really? More stickers. We have
What's that?
garden seeds.
Sun hemp, 5 pounds. Something that sun hemp is really good for is adding nitrogen to your soil. It's also something that adds organic matter. We have poor soil here. We're gonna see how this fares, so I'm sure it's gonna be awesome. Ooh.
So we got here American Giant Hybrid.
Do you know what that one is? Do you remember those?
The sunflower seeds?
Yeah.
Oh, yay. And it comes with 1,000 seeds.
It's amazing.
Wow.
So we've got the American Giant Hybrid. And that was the one we grew last year. and we loved it, and it's just really good for your soil as well. Like it helps aerate the soil because they go so deep, and they're just so fun to grow. Like, are you excited? We want to make this year. We want to make like a fort out of it, or a maze, a sunflower maze, just because they grow so big. They've been known to grow 14 feet tall. Kind of cool. And then we also have some Pro Cut White Knife sunflowers. Ha! Because, you know, I'm all about the sunflowers.
What's this?
This is the drip system that's going to make our lives so much easier. Oh, be careful.
Oh, didn't know this.
Oh, be careful.
What's that?
So this is the new drip system that we're going to do, and it feeds nutrients to your plants. So you can hook it up to the water, and you can also hook up your nutrients and pour it in there, and then it'll feed your plants. Yeah, it'll feed them the vitamins and minerals they need. So it's kind of cool. What are some of the top 5 ones that you're excited to grow in here? We got so many. We're so blessed. Thank you, Hoss. Pick out 5 that you're super excited to grow.
Jalapeno pepper. Cinderella.
Jalapenos? You mean jalapenos?
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos?
What are the ingredients you need to make salsa?
Oh, need onions and garlic.
What's the onions?
That's a type of gourd.
That's a gourd.
That's a gourd.
What does a gourd do?
Usually it's for decoration. Sometimes you use just the outside. You can make bowls with those. Look how they made the bowls with those. We also got this type of gourd. Those ones we're going to do a craft with.
Oh, birdhouse.
Yeah, so those, they dry. You de-seed them and then you dry them out and they become really hard.
Can you eat the stuff inside?
Green clockbush beans.
Most of the stuff you need to make this.
Ooh, gold nugget
Okay.
carrots.
The tomatoes.
The Bella Rosa, the jalapeno peppers, good.
And the cilantro.
Okay, what are you excited to grow?
I'm excited to grow the delectable melon.
The delectable melon.
And also, I'm excited to grow the black nebula carrot.
Oh, that one looks beautiful. Do you love carrots?
Yeah. And cucumbers.
And cucumbers. Yep.
Tender, sweet orange watermelon.
Ooh,
Wait, is it actually?
that one looks awesome.
The Chantony Royal carrot. They get huge.
I don't know how to say that. Sorry, Hoss.
The gold nugget carrot.
You're excited for that one?
Yeah.
Do you love carrots?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are they the best when they're from the garden?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although we don't get that much carrots.
Well, we haven't planted
Yeah,
it a lot.
we didn't get that much carrots last year.
So I'm excited to grow cucumber, the watermelon, and
Oh.
Cinderella
I'm excited for
pumpkin.
that. Yeah, I'm excited for that one too. Are you excited to grow flowers too?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Locia.
And I'm excited to grow these.
Oh yeah, she loved these last year.
I just went out and picked a lot, and then I'm just like,
You just ate them all up.
yeah.
They're super good. It is still coming down out there. So this is fun. Getting all sorted and getting seeds ready and planning out the garden while it's rainy. Basil's amazing.
Yeah.
For like Italian food.
Yeah.
So what are you excited to grow?
I'm excited for Thai basil. I love me some basil.
Yeah.
Pretty excited for the melon.
Yeah, you're like a melon guy, huh?
Yep. And then some type of cilantro.
For salsa?
Yeah, heck yeah. And these are some pretty fat carrots. I like those.
You're like that one.
That one, like fat carrots, yeah. And then the black nebula carrots. I've never seen a black carrot before, so those will be unique.
Yeah, that's cool.
This is our last box. It is really big. Let's see what it is. It's our drip system. And there's more boxes.
More boxes of drip. It's just the tape.
Oh.
It's just the tape in the drip system. This is gonna make our life so much easier. And it's gonna hook up to that.
To this.
Yep. It's gonna hook up to that and it's gonna be awesome. Thanks you guys for joining us today on our adventure out in the rain and coming inside. We could not do this without you. So we just want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts and thank you for joining us. Don't forget to hit that like button and please consider subscribing. We'd love for you to be a part of our journey. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.
Like and subscribe. Help our channel grow.